Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Future FinTech Group Inc. The ticker symbol is FTFT. Now, the first thing which you can see here is after all these negative numbers, and the company is in technology and software application. So with these kind of negative numbers we have as far as the profitability and EPS are concerned, let me first tell you, software or overall technology sector is one of those sectors which are saving lots and lots of cost, because moreover it is on technology, and their operating cost is much low when compared to if you're talking about industrials or engineering or something like that. Now we are making huge losses over here, so that's one point that you need to look at. Apart from that, the valuation part is quite okay, and we have short float of 13% and short interest of 3.28%, and a big volume spike where you can see the average volume of 1.29 million shares in the last 3 months, and the last traded volume was more than 36 million. So there is a huge spike that has happened, and that spike comes along with a big price change of more than 36% up in the last trading session, and it has actually helped the stock, which has going one way on the downside. So as you can see, when the Y2D performance, 1 year performance, half yearly, quarterly, monthly, everything is down, apart from this 1 day change, and this has helped 1 day's price movement as well as have a big impact on the 1 week's price movement. So let's go and see what's happening over here, and if there is any news which will justify this move. Apart from that, so let's see if there is a no. Do not have any insider trading, nor we have anything related to market reports or coverage we have for this company. So let's go and check it out if there are some news which is making this move, or this is just a price move that we can see has been happening over here. So here we are, and let's see if you have anything. Okay, these are only price change. No, this has been just you can say punt, or I can't say, or I can't call it as a value buying, but overall the stock has been down and out, and you will see some very sharp surge in the volumes, and these are penny stocks. This is in simple word, these are penny stocks, and this can move both the ways, where you can see a huge amount of volatility. Now, if you indeed have these kind of moves, what you need to be taken care of is how the stock is going to move. That's one thing, okay? But you must understand that volatility have two sides. It can move on the upside and it can move on the downside as well. So for the time being, let's just first understand the range. Then we are going to discuss about the probable price movement and where they are heading to. Okay, so these are a couple of points which we need to look at, or obviously understand, because if the volatility is on the upside, everybody will be happy, but if it start moving on the downside, you do not get even a single chance to adjust your position. So right now, this is the big range what we have here, where you have your immediate support at $1, and the stop loss or the lowest end of the range is in between 42 and 48 cents. Now it is up to you whether you consider $1 as your stop loss, or you want to stretch it down towards a 42 or 48 cents. That's the first thing. But most importantly, don't go below the support and stop loss. Now on the upside, you have your primary target of 1.68, right? This is your first target, and above 1.68 you have 2.94 and 3.71. So these are the two targets we have here, above which you have 8.2 and 10.7. So this is the upper end of the range. Consider this, and the because the actual range is in between 48 cents and $10.75. and an extension we have here till $20. So this is an extension, let me tell you, which means probability beyond $10 or $11 are less, and if there is any move beyond $11, then we can talk about this target of $20 or $21. But primarily we have a big range in between 48 cents and $11, and the stock is moving and it has taken support somewhere in the middle. I won't say anywhere in the middle, but because there are previous support, but anyways, it has taken support and probably it is trying to leap back towards the higher end of the lane. Let's see how things looks like over here going forward, but don't go below your support level on the downside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.